Guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this amazing video, I am going to show you how to make a beautiful to-do list app like this. To make this, we are going to use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see in my web page, I have made this to-do list app. Here is the title to-do list. Here enter your task and here the add button to add with a beautiful hovering effect. So here you can add your task like app development, and here is the add button. You can click and add it. See, add development has add. When you hover on this, you'll get a deleted icon button. See here. See, when I remove it, it hide. When I cursor on it, so here it's showing delete option. So here is the delete option. When you click, it will delete. Again, you can add any task like app, web, many tasks you can enter like market, like that you can enter. If more numbers of list are there, it will show a scrolling button. So when I hover, it will show deletable. You can delete it also like this. See, it's deleted. So like that you can add your task and delete your task like this. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So it's put me a lot in making videos to you guys. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So come to our VS Code. And one more important thing guys, I have uploaded many front-end projects on my YouTube channel. You can go and check out my all videos. I have explained many projects with different like JavaScript projects, HTML, CSS, animation, and many more. You can go and check out at the rate Becodewala, and you can follow us on our Instagram Becodewala. So now come to our code. So here is my HTML file, and here is my CSS, and here is my JS file. So here I have written the basic structure of my HTML file. So after writing, many of you don't know how to write the. If you don't know, I'll say teach you how to make the basic structure of HTML. See, you have to type this mark and press enter. See, the basic structure of HTML has shown now. So like that you can make the basic structure of HTML. So here I have taken the title to do list, and then I have linked the font awesome just link to get the icons of font awesome is an website who give the icons and many more like font style. So like that you can copy and paste it in your code and get the better icons and font style. So here I have linked my CSS file style.css. Then come to body tag. In body tag I have taken a div with class box, and in this div I have taken a h1 tag, and h1 tag has a class box1. You can see here, and then I have taken the to-do list, the title, sorry, the heading, and after this h1 tag I have taken a input tag, and type should be text so that you can add our projects task names. In here is the placeholder. Enter your task. What is called placeholder? You can see here enter your task is showing here in back. When I start typing, it will disappear. When I clear that enter your task, it will show. It will give us some hint what we have to put input in your page. So here it's showing enter your task, so that is called placeholder. So now this input has also a class box2, and then I have taken the unordered list tag with class line, and then I have taken a button tag with class btn, and here is the add. Then here out of this div tag I have taken a script tag with here link my script tag. With the script tag I have linked my JS file. So after doing this much of HTML, come to our CSS file. Then we are going for styling. So for styling, padding and margin I have taken 0, and font family sans serif, and box edging border box. Then for our body I have taken the height 100 VH, and a background color code this, and a display should be grid, and place item should be center. Then I have taken the height 350 pixel and width 300 pixel for the our box class. Then a background color code this, and position should be relative, and a box shadow 2 pixel 2 pixel and 2 pixel with this color code, and another box shadow here I have taken to 2 pixel with this color code. You can type in your code and see the results. So here border radius I have taken 3 pixel for our box. So now box 1. So box 1 where it is, here in the to do list heading. So for that we are going to style heading. So height I have taken 70 pixel and the width 100%, and a background color this, and the color of the text is this. So here is the display grid, and place item should be center. Then box 2. Where is the box 2? In input. Here you can see in input box 2. So font size 21 pixel, position absolute, and top 90 pixel. Then left 20 pixel and height 45 pixel, and border should be none, and width 260 pixel, and border bottom 2 pixel solid, and this color code. So outline I have taken 0, and the background 0. You can remove it also, no need of this. And then here the padding 0 from top and bottom, and 10 from left and right, and this color code of our text in box 2. So box 2 placeholder. So for placeholder I have taken this color. You can see in my page this color code. So here in line Here is our line order unordered list. For that, position absolute, and from top 150 pixel and from left 20 pixel, and list style I have taken none, and height should be 120, and width should be 260 pixel, and overflow auto means it will show the this scrolling bar for that. So in list, whatever list will give, that the height will be 50 pixel with 100%, margin 4 pixel from top and bottom, and from left 0, and then position relative, and from left 0 here, and border 1 pixel solid, and this color code, and then overflow should be hidden. Then in h4 tag, can see h4 tag where it is. I think I don't have h4 tag, so no need of this. This task without book. One second, guys. Where is our tag? Oh, here is h4. It is. So we got our h4. So h4 is here in our script tag. You can see here h4. Then for h4 I have taken height 50 pixel and width 320 pixel, and a padding 0 from top and bottom, and 10 pixel from left and right. Then this display flex and align item center, and a color code this for our h4 tag, and overflow should be hidden, and position absolute, and from left and top 0 I have taken. So can see here the result if I add showing nicely. So here for delete task I have taken the height 50 pixel. You can see here delete task, where it is delete task thing. Yeah, here it is delete task. For this I have taken height 50 pixel, width 40 pixel, and z index 99. Can write 99 also, and display grid, and place item center, and position absolute, and right from right minus 50 pixel, and background color code for deleting this, and color of the text is this, and transition 0.7 second, all is in out, and cursor should be pointer. Then when we hover on this delete task, right should be 0. Then the button for adding task, height 50 pixel, width 220 pixel, position absolute, and from left it should be 40 pixel, and from bottom it should be 20 pixel, and a background color code this. Then I have taken the outline 0 and this color code. Then border should be none, cursor pointer, and font size 20 pixel. A transition should be all 0.3 second each in. When you hover on button, the background will be 0, and here the border for the button is 3 pixel solid, and this color, and color of the text is this, and font size 20 pixel, and border radius 4 pixel. You can see when I hover on it, see border and this color code. So come to our script tag. Here how it works. So we have made a function window, when window loads, then what function will happen. Then here I have taken the variable task, then we have selected our box 2 by query selector. Then next I have taken variable list, and then I have selected my class line. Then similarly I have selected the btn class. Then here add dot task means this button. When we click on this button, then what function will do. So list dot insert adjacent html means whatever we will type, that will html means it will take the text, and it will take and it will add. So here is the delete task icon for deleting, so that after our words typing, inside right side it will show our delete text icon talks.value. It will show in h4 tag. You can see here it's showing and delete tags. So now tags dot value empty. In starting it should be empty, and then when you add, then it will be filled. So when we want to delete the task, so here I have taken the delete task class. For each delete the add event listener, it is a event. So when we click on that, del dot parent dot remove means it will remove the parent element. So when I go for, I refresh it and add any random task, and I add in, see it will showing in export tag and a delete button. When I click on it, it will be deleted soon. So when you click on add, it will add. When you click on blank add, it will see adding blank. So when you click on something to add that your task, and it will show a scrolling button. So like that we can make a beautiful to-do list app like this. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So follow us for more amazing project, and thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.